Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Health Elegance.
Today I am going to share two simple and easy home remedies for loose teeth. These remedies are truly tried and tested. Please give them a try and share your experience. Now start the remedy 1. You will need alum 100 gram, black pepper 10 gram, lemon juice enough to soak both the ingredients. Method: heat alum in a dry pan to melt. Keep stirring until dries up. Grind it with black pepper. Soak this powder in lemon juice. Leave to dry. Now grind it to get fine powder. Apply this dental powder to your teeth and gum. For remedy 2, you will need just a small piece of alum. Method to use: take a small tablet size piece of alum, keep it in your mouth and suck for 1 to 2 minutes. Spit out when it releases water. Do this practice 2 to 3 times daily. Please avoid swallowing alum water.
Friends, if you like this video, please share it, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.